Hello. In this video, we will present a case study to develop a web crawler. A web crawler is a program that travels the web by following hyperlinks. So, for example, we're going to start from this URL. From this document, we're going to find these three URLs in this document. And then we're going to follow this URL 1 to go to this document URL 1 and then continue to traverse through this URL links. So this is done continuously and going through page by page. So we're going to write this program now. We're going to design this algorithm. So the program follows the URLs to traverse the web to ensure that each URL is traversed only once. The program maintains two lists of URLs. One list stores the URLs pending for traversing, and the other stores the URL that have already been traversed, so you don't traverse it again. The algorithm for this program can be described as follows. We're going to add the starting URL to a list named list of pending URLs. Why list of pending URLs is not empty, so we're going to remove a URL from list of pending URLs. If this URL is not in list of traversed URLs, now we're going to add it to list of traversed URLs, display this URL, exit the while loop when more than 100 URLs have been traversed. So we don't traverse all just for the testing, we just traverse up to 100 URLs. Read the page from this URL, and for each URL contained in the page, we're going to add it to the list of pending URLs if it's not in the list of traversed URLs. So now we're going to do this continuously, and eventually we're going to stop. Either we don't have anything to traverse, everything we hit to a page, it doesn't have any URLs remaining. So all, and we have this 100 URLs traversed. So let's now write this program here. So we're going to have this main is right here, prompt the user to enter the URL. And now this is the function crawler the URL. So crawler the URL, we have these two lists, list of pending URLs, list of traversed URLs. So now we're going to add this starting URL to the list of pending URLs. So why this pending URL here is not empty. So this list of pending URL is not empty, is greater than 0, the size. And the list of traversed URLs is less than or equal to 100. So now we're going to get the first one from list of pending URLs. So this is the one. And delete this list of pending URLs, delete it. If URL string not in list of traversed URLs. So we're going to append this URL to the list of traversed URLs. And now, so we're going to print this message, we're going to crawl this URL. So we're going to find all these URLs in this document. So this is we're going to get this sub URLs. So this is the function. We'll actually go to this document to find all these URLs in this, getting this list. So now if S is not everything in this list, So this we discovered from the document. If it's not in the list of the traversed URLs, we're going to put it there. So that is all for this case study on creating a web crawler. See you on the next video.